Astaghfirullahaladzim.
So, you wanna have fun with me? I will do everything for you.
Yes.
Kaha se ho?
Hello. I am from north part of India. North.
आप कैसे हो?
I'm good.
Nice. I'm good. अच्छा है. Thank you. And you are so handsome. Are you naughty?
Oh my god!
Hey, this is good. Do you like it?
Yes.
If you want more, can you give score to me? Apa sih? Si Petit? Okay.
Good.
Oh my god. Astaghfirullahaladzim.
Hey, by the way, what is your name?
Name Raj.
Okay.
Tobat bro, tobat. Anak men.
Use your microphone, bro. Say something. I don't know. Take it off.
Remove it.
Open this. Why?
Okay.
Yes. Good. So what's your name?
My name is Rizka.
Okay. Good. I hope you're not fooling me. Yeah.
Nah, I'm girl. I just a cutie girl.
Okay. Good. Sure. Good. Go a little bit back.
You already see my legs. Why you not touch me?
Yeah.
See.
Because they're good.
Yeah.
Can you show
Good
more?
enough?
No. I want to see more.
Jangan dong. But I'm a boy actually.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Tono.
Okay. I don't think so.
My name is Tono.
Okay. So what, you are a girl? Oh boy. I don't understand technology, so not a problem. I can confess I don't understand technology. Whatever you say, I'll believe.
Yes.
No, you can go back.
Brats. Okay, bye. See you next time.
Why?
Peace. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
Hi.
Namaste.
Hi. Namaste.
Where are you from? कहाँ से हो?
Oh, आपको हिंदी आती है?
Good. I only speak Hindi a little bit.
I am from Bangalore, India.
Okay.
Good.
You are from Japan?
Japan, sure.
Yeah, nice place. I love Japan. I love
This
Japanese.
place. And I love Hindi tradition. It's good.
Thank you. What are you doing?
I just
क्या-
cosplay here.
आप क्या कर रही हो?
Cosplay.
आप क्या कर रही हो?
Cosplay. I do a cosplay.
Do.
You good? My cosplay?
Yes. You are so nice. आप बहुत खूबसूरत हो.
Thank you. Actually, you are so handsome. By the way,
Thank you.
seriously. So what are
Then-
you doing here?
I'm alone in home. That's why I'm searching just time pass.
Gak bisa bahasa Inggris.
Making new
And
friends.
talking with a new friend?
Yeah.
Ah, good. I love it. Because so many people do like this here.
I'm in danger.
I don't like it.
You don't like.
No. You are not, right?
I also, but you don't like, nah. That's why I'm also don't like.
Ah, but good boy. Nice boy.
Thank you.
But you like to do it?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's normal. It's normal.
Yeah. You are so pretty.
Thank you.
What's
Don't
your
make
name?
me shy, bro.
Yeah. What's your name?
Rivka. मेरा नाम Rivka.
Rivka. Wow, nice name.
The meaning of my name is the great of rainbow.
Wow, nice.
Tapi bohong.
And you? What is
My
your
name-
name?
My name is Han.
Oh, what a simple name.
Thank you.
Simple
Yeah.
and elegant.
Yes.
So, you wanna have fun with me?
Yes.
Like what? Like what? I will do everything for you.
Loh. Gak bahaya ta?
I want to see everything.
Apaan tuh?
Like what? Like what?
Like
For example,
on.
flat push, maybe both is okay.
Okay. Show your.
Astaghfirullahaladzim.
But in WhatsApp, not here. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Give your-
text me your WhatsApp number.
This is the WhatsApp number. You message me there.
Okay, I will.
Message you after this.
Macam tak betul je budak ni.
With me, bro.
Your boy. Computer setting.